So today we're going to be doing a basic granny square. So for this I've got DK yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. And I'm going to be starting off with a slip knot, which there is a pattern on my page of how, a video on my page on how to do this. I'm then going to be chaining 4, so that's just yarn over and pull through 4 times. So that's 2, 3 and 4. I'll just zoom in a bit so you can see this a bit better. I'm then going to be slip stitching into that first chain to make a little loop. So as you see there, slip stitch straight through. And now you can see in the middle of our chain, we've got this little ring. That is where we're going to be crocheting into. So that is where the stitches will go. Can you see just there? That's right. Just in the middle of the loop. So for the pattern, I'm going to start off by chaining 3. And this will count as the first stitch. And they're going to be in clusters of 3. So I'm going to be doing 2 more treble crochets or double crochets in US terms. So that is chain 3 and then 2 treble crochets for the first cluster. And then I'm going to be chaining 2. And then to continue going round, we've got another 3 treble crochets. So that's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 2 again. And then they're going to be in clusters of 3. So that's 2, and then this is the third one, and we're going to be doing that so you've got 4 rounds. So you've got 2 there already, so that's 1 corner, chain 2 for the next corner, and then 3 treble crochets again. 1, 2, 3. So that's the third side. So then we've just got the one more side to complete. So we're going to chain 2 to do the third corner, and then 3 double crochets for the 4th time. And then for the last corner, we will be chaining 2. And then we're going to slip stitch to finish. So I'm going to slip stitch at the top of the chain 3. I'm just trying to show you there. So it's just that stitch there. So insert, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. So as you can see, now we have like a little square. So that's 4 clusters of 3 with chain 2s at the corner. So to do the next part, so the next round of the granny square, we're going to turn our work over. So now we're kind of working on the back of it. This is to make sure that the square stays square and doesn't go wonky. So as you can see, I'm just literally turning the work over. So the first stitch we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch into that corner, because we were going to start at the corners, or we're going to start in one of the gaps each time. So just slip stitch into that corner. And then the same as we did last time, we're going to be chaining 3 again, which will still count as a stitch. It counts as a stitch every time. We're then going to complete 2 treble crochets to complete the 3 cluster. And then we're going to chain 2. And then still in that same space, we're going to do 3 more treble crochets. So for the granny square, there'll be this pattern every time when you hit a corner. So because we only have corners on this one, we're going to go straight into the next chain 2 space. Let's get some more yarn. There's no chain here in between this stitch and the next stitch. We're going to go straight into the corner. So that's 3 double crochets again. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2 as this is another corner. And then 3 more treble crochets to finish off the corner, and again they all go in the same like hole. Again, no chain between here and the next corner. So we go straight in. As you can see, we've got those 2 corners there. Straight into the next corner, 3 double crochets. 1, just putting more yarn across. 2 and 3. Then we're going to chain 2. Same space again, 3 more double crochets. Treble crochets, sorry. No chain again, straight into the next corner. 3 double crochets, treble crochets, sorry, US and UK terms, I'm getting confused. Chain 2, 3 more treble crochets. 1, 2, 3. And once again, we're going to finish this off by slip stitching into the top of the chain 3 again. You can just see that stitch there. We're just going to slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through, and pull through again. Now, same as last time, to complete the next round, we're going to be flipping that work over. So as you can see, we're right next to one of the holes, so we're going to slip stitch into that hole because that's where we'll be starting. Now, we're not starting on a corner this time, we're starting on one of the edges. So to do this stitch, we'll be working the corners like we did the last round, but on the edges we work them slightly differently. So we're going to start off this row by chaining 3. Again, as always, it counts as a stitch, and then we're going to complete 2 treble crochets into that middle stitch. There'll be no chain between this stitch and the next stitch. We're just going to go straight in there with 3 double crochets. We're going to chain 2 because it's the corner, and then in the same stitch we're doing another 3 treble crochets. Same as we did the last round. Now this time, no chain. We're going to go into that middle stitch this time. There's no chain between the 2. We're going to go straight in and do 3 treble crochets. No chain, straight into the corner again to do 3 treble crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, all in that same hole. And that's the chain 2, and then 3 treble crochets. And then we just continue that round. So there's no chain between the corner and the middle stitch. And again, no chain here. There's 3 treble crochets. In the corner, you have 3 treble crochets, chain 2, 3 treble crochets. On the side, there's 3 treble crochets. And we're just going to continue that pattern round. No chain, 3 treble crochets. Chain 2, 3 treble crochets. No chain, 3 treble crochets into the side. Corner, 3 treble crochets, chain 2, 3 treble crochets again. Chain 2, 3 treble crochets. And then we're going to finish the row off again by slip stitching into the top of the chain 3. Then that just continues. So we would turn our work over and then we would slip stitch into that hole that's right next to the hook. And then we would continue that pattern. So on the edges, you just do the 3 treble crochets. So in there we would do 3 treble crochets, no chain. Then in the corners, it's 3 treble crochet, chain 2, 3 treble crochet, treble crochet on the side. Then again in the corners, the 3, chain 2, 3. And then just continuing that all the way around as it gets larger. Still on the sides, you do the 3 treble crochets, and then in the corner, you do the 3 treble crochets and the chain 2s. So hopefully that makes sense. And yeah, good luck. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments and I can try and help best I can. Thanks.